Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see how to develop our Java Spring Boot application in AWS. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we know that there are very different environment, just like production environment, test environment, uh, uh, QA environment, and uh, UAT environment, and as well as local environment and dev environment. So if we are creating any project, so we can use it only in local environment, uh, like localhost, but we can't access it from any other environment. So for that, we know that in our local environment, there are uh, some services like uh, Spring Boot application. We require first Spring Boot framework, and second is MySQL also. If you want to save data into the database, so MySQL, and also ActiveMQ, Kafka, we can use ActiveMQ, as well as we can use Redis for third party uh, uses. We can use Redis also. Okay, so this is the required thing for our Spring Boot uh, application. So by using this, up, uh, we can run our project in our local host only. So to overcome this problem, we are going to deploy our project in cloud in AWS. Okay, so for that, we know that the environment by environment configuration might be changed. Because of that, same application which was working in local environment might not work in dev environment. If IP is changed, you deploy local host except on will came or not. Exception will came or not. You don't know. So we use AWS service for deployment in dev environment. There are number of ways of running Java Spring Boot application, like AWS service EC2. So we are going to use AWS service. Is EC2. Sorry, EC2. So you can search for another services also uh, on ChatGPT. You can ask. Uh, we run our Spring Boot application on local machine. Just like that, we can run our project on AWS EC2 machine पे same application हम चला सकते हैं. So if you want to more way, just go and ask to Google or ChatGPT that different services to run Spring Boot application in AWS. Ask how to run my Java 17 Java. We will go to the ChatGPT. Just search in your browser ChatGPT, and always take help from ChatGPT if you're stuck in anywhere. So it will give you proper result. Click on ChatGPT. Open AI. click on try ChatGPT and type here whatever you want to search. I want to search how to run my Java Spring Boot Spring Boot application in AWS. Okay, enter. So it will give proper manner how to deploy our application. So just follow this step. AWS database setup, security, consideration. Okay, you can follow this step also. Now, first of all, we know that we are going to do. We are going to deploy our project Spring Boot Java project on uh, AWS EC2. So let's get start. First of all, first step is create account in AWS. So first step, create account in AWS. So this is very basic step. So if you want to deploy anything, so this account should be created. So for that, just uh, search in browse, click on and type here http https://aws.amazon.com/console/enter. So AWS Management Console. Uh, so first sign in with the console in the right corner. Just click on it. So if you don't have any account on AWS, first create account. This process you can search on YouTube, and a very simple process to create account. Just only 2 rupees will be deducted from your account, and you can create your account simply. So I have created my account already, so I will just sign in here, root user and email ID. Then click on next. I have created my password already, so I will sign. Click on sign. Okay. Here we are going to work on EC2 machine. So for that, you can search here also EC2, EC2, uh, virtual service in cloud. So you can uh, click here also, or in as I recently visit to EC2, so I can click here also. So click on it. Okay. Here, all the resources, uh, instance, auto scaling groups, dedication, and how many instances you are creating. I have created 2 instances recently. So it will show all the information. So we are going to create first of all instance, because without instance it will not go, it will not work. So first of all instance, we have to create instance. Click on instance. Okay, instance running. We don't want any instance. We are going to create here. Uh, so as I have already create instance here, but I will explain how to create. So launch instance, just click on it. Okay, launch an instance. Here, just type name, instance name. For example, my web server or anything you can create here. After name, the Amazon machine image. So here, select which machine you want to work. So I will always prefer Amazon Linux because most of the company mostly Amazon Linux is used. So it is good to use Linux. So click on Amazon Linux, go down. Uh, Here Amazon machine AMI. Just click on it and select free tier eligible only because we are used for a free tier. It's for 1 month. After that, the charges will be applied. So just select free tier because we are used for a study purpose. So that uh, uh, in between this Amazon Linux 2023 AMI and Amazon Linux 2 AMI. You can choose any one of this. But personally, some friends of mine told me that Amazon Linux 2 AMI is good. So I use this one. Just click on it, go down. Then next is instant type. So you can use the instant type uh, uh, like according to the traffic. In instant type, you can choose lesser uh, operating system like 2 GB RAM. 2 core operating system, uh, minimum 4 GB RAM, non-production. Uh, so this is a lesser configuration machine, which is used by developer environment, dev environment, QA environment, UAT environment. Also, according to the topic which will come. Yes. Okay, got it. Then click on. I will click on free tier eligible. Okay, click on free tier only. So go down. Then next is key pair login. Click on create new key pair. Here, just give the name, key pair name, like uh, whatever you can give uh, key pair name. My new key pair in small letter also you can give it. Okay. Then after name, here uh, key pair type RSA. It is default and don't change it. Just click on create key pair. So it will create your key pair. Uh, After creating, it will be downloaded in your download section. Go there. For logging, for connecting, for security purpose, so that on this machine, anybody should not be able to do. Uh, Only proper security should be able to access it. Okay, so this KPR is very uh, important for security purpose. So create new KPR, then click on the create KPR we have seen. Just save it in new folder. Uh, I will show. I have already saved it in one folder. Just, uh, in D drive, I have created in city folder AWS. Okay, just like that. This .pem file will be created. So just keeping it safe and organized manner for future use. Okay, so go to our dashboard. Okay, after that network setting, just go down network setting, click on edit. As I have already create instance, so I will just explain how to create instance. Okay, uh, here VPC required, so it is default and you don't need to change it. Then subnet, just click on create new subnet. If I click here, uh, just select anyone. I will select AP South 1A. Just click on it. Okay. After use, just delete it. Otherwise, it will be coming zero balance bill. Uh, so just release, don't hold it. So instant after use any instant, uh, just stop this instance and delete it if you don't want to use. Okay, so this is basic information. Then just after clicking on submit, you don't need to change anything. Just go down, scroll down. Okay, no need to change anything. Just keep it as it is. Uh, Configuration storage 8 GB RAM. Okay, so just click on launch instant. So it will launch our new instance. So I have already created instance. So, so I will click on instances. Here we have created instances. So it will look like that. After creating instance, uh, just select which instance you have created, which name you have given, for instance, and instance ID. So I have created July 22, 24 server. So I will click on it, instance ID. Okay. Then this dashboard will be open. So here, this is instance ID, public IP address, private IP address. Okay. But now this instance is in stopped condition because I have stopped after the use. So we need to start this instance state. Click on it. Go to the instance first. Just select which instance you want to start again. So both instances are in stopped condition. So to start it, just click on uh, this checkbox and instance state, click on it. Start instance. Successfully initiated starting of instance. Okay, it will take some time to start. This is pending condition. So wait for a few minutes. Okay, now its state is in running condition. So we have successfully initiated instance. Okay, now our step is connect to EC2 machine and install Java 17. So, so what is our next step? Connect, connect to EC2 machine. EC2 machine. Okay, and install Java 17. For that. Okay, but for that we need one software, one tool, which is we can run our EC2 in different ways. You can just click on ChatGPT and ask how to connect our EC2 machine. So we are already open ChatGPT. Just ask how to connect. You can ask whatever you want to ask. EC2, how to connect EC2 different. mm, Okay, there is one option also, put T also, and using. Okay, thanks for trying ChatGPT. To log in. Okay, natively. So we can use different ways also, but I will recommend mobile xterm. There is one application. Go to the browser. There, type MOBA xterm download for Windows. Click on it. Click on mobile xterm X server. Here you can select the installer edition. Just click on it. Okay, it will download one zip file. So I have already installed. So I will cancel this. Okay, then this zip file is created in your download section. So go there and just double click on it. It will start automatically. Okay, this is very simple. After installation, mobile external, I will minimize this. Okay, after install mobile external, in start menu, just click on it. It will look like that. You can use here dark theme also or light theme. I will and then after start local terminal, click on it. So here you can type any command which is required to uh, our uh, our target to achieve our target. Which command we need? So we need okay SSH. Go to the no, third important thing is we need this command SSH. Why this SSH? For SSH is for using this command. You can connect to the machine. For connecting machine, connecting to machine. For that, SSH command is required. Okay. Then go to the I will show you. Okay. So I have copied this SSH command from ChatGPT. So you can type on ChatGPT or Google. So just uh, select this, and here in ChatGPT, we just uh, this path. This is our path. Which path? Keep your path. Okay. So we have created our keep here. Just click on path. Click on here. Copy it and paste. Okay. In reader drive, city folder is there. AWS folder. In AWS folder, we have created our keep here. After that, July 24 slash keep here dot pay. This is nothing but our PIM file. So just July 24 keep here dot PIM. Copy it and paste here. Okay. After this EC2 slash user, what is this EC2 slash user? Okay, go to the dashboard. Here, simply click on connect because our instance is in running condition. Click on connect. Here, look at this EC2 slash user. This is our nothing but our username. So copy it and paste it. Okay. Then at the rate, what is this? This is nothing but our IP address. So here we will get this IP. We don't need to go anywhere. This is public IP address. This is our public IP address. Okay. Just copy it and paste it. Now this IP as address also changed for me because I have created instance only, but now uh, every time this IP address will be changed to connect this instance. So I have to copy this IP address, Control C. Okay, remaining will be as it is. Just go here and paste here. There are different IP address for every environment. Okay, so IP address will be changed every time. So I will copy here Control P. You can simply go here instances also. You in instances, which instance you have created July 24th server, click on it, and uh, here also you can copy this IP address 43.205.237.103. Is it same? Okay. Okay. After that, next step is we have to run this command now. Just copy this SSH command, Control C, go to the mobile extern and right click here, copy it, and here single slash will not be work. So you need to type double slash here. Okay, then click on enter. Okay, our AWS is running. Okay, this bird will be will okay, this bird means Amazon Linux 2 is running. Okay, now the next step is Okay. Our 50% work is done here. So now, first of all, we need to basic Linux command. We should know. You should know if you are working on AWS. So basic Linux command. So if you don't know, you can just ask to ChatGPT also, and you can search on Google also. Okay. So I have just type here basic command which we required here. Here it is. Okay. Here. First is sudo su, basically Linux command. So I will go to the mobile desktop here, and first of all, clear this and type here sudo su, enter. Okay. Next command, yum update, yum space update, enter. Okay. Third one is yum install Java 17 Amazon. Okay. This command will install Java 17 on your AWS EC2 machine. So just copy it, Control C, go to the mobile stuff, right click and enter. Done. Okay. After this, which type LL, enter. It will show which jar file we are using. Means it copy our jar file from our local machine. Got it? Then PWD means which path we are using, home/EC2 user. Okay. Then Java version. You can check here our Java version also, Java slash hyphen version. Enter. Look at this. Java 17 is installed. Then you can clear it also, or you can check history. HISTOR history. Click on enter. Okay. This is all step which we use, which is basic Linux command we have used. So it will give all the history of our command. Okay. Now, now SCP command is required. So I have copied SCP command here from ChatGPT. Here, what you need here, this is our key pair path. Okay, this is key pair path, and dot slash Spring Boot project. This is jar file. Okay, and this is our destination. So, yeah. After this CPU. Okay. Security pin file, first of all, then jar file, then destination. Okay. So which jar file we have created here? July demo app. Okay. Okay. Remaining will be same as it is because I have created this instance already. So just our IP address will be changed here. So just click our IP address 43.205, Control C and copy, Control P, paste it. Remaining will be same. Okay. Now copy this command, Control C, go to the and simply condition. Okay. Important thing is missing here. Uh, Go to the project first. We don't open it. Just minimize this. Okay. Uh, so you need to create first the any Maven project. We know that we have already seen in our first demo how to create Maven project. Okay. So after creating this Maven project, wait for some time. It will take some time to open Eclipse. Okay, our Eclipse is up and running. So you don't need to do anything here. You just go our Spring Boot application. I have created here this Spring Boot application, which is nothing but a Maven application. So I will just first of all clear all this tab. Go to the Spring Boot project, right click, run as Maven build. In goal, you have to type link space package. Okay. Skip test. We don't need to test here test cases. So after skip test, run. It will create our jar file, project jar file. Simply wait for it. It will build our files. Okay. Build success. Now you need to just copy our jar file, jar path. So there it is, building jar. Just copy this path, C/user up to the target, Control C. I will paste here. Our jar file path. Okay. Copy, Control C. Open in mobile desktop. But here we need to open the new terminal here because this is the AWS. Uh, it will get closed. Just run it. It is disconnected. Just run this command again. SSH. Click enter. It will start your AWS. Okay. After a few minutes, just click this command. Otherwise, our AWS will be stopped. So now click on new terminal. Go to the new terminal and paste our path, which is jar path. Right click, but it will give error because single slash. So just click double slash here because single slash is not understand by this. I will change in double slash. Okay, we are not going to do anything. Rocket science is not here. We just copy our jar path, jar file from local machine to EC2. Okay, just clear your. Okay, done. We have copied this jar path and right click in new terminal, local machine. Click here. Command not found. What happened? Okay. You don't need to be worried because before this command, you need to type cd here. We don't write here cd space just copy this path, Control C, right click, okay. Okay. Now what happened? Bash cd too many arguments. Okay, no problem. You just need to what you want to do. You just need to copy this command. Okay, it's completed. Now let's check in AWS. Type double L pwd which part home slash EC2 user and date July 21. Everything is going perfectly. Okay. Now our as we have done 70% of our work. Now what is the next step? Next step is simple. Just start our service and verify. So our next step is fourth step is start service and verify. So for that testing, just open the Postman. Here we need Postman also. If you don't install it, just install Postman. Installation of Postman is very easy. You can paper Google or uh, okay, I have installed Postman already. So here, this is the our IP address. By default, it is localhost. Here you just need to change your localhost and type here your IP address. So what is our IP address? We have just copied our IP address 43.205. I will copy this address, Control C, paste here. We don't need to localhost now. Control C, because we are going to deploy our Spring Boot Java application on EC2 machine. For that, we need just IP, which we have copied. Okay. Now, I will fetch my record, which is created by our Maven project. Go to Spring Boot application, Spring Boot application, right click, run as Java application. First of all, check it's working or not. If is there any problem, then our record will not fetch. So version 3, our port is started on 8091. So everything is okay. Our application is up and running. So go to the Postman and click on send. See what happened. Record could not send request. What happened? Here we need to do one last step. So minimize it. Go to the mobile stub. Check first. Is it closed or not? Click here. Double tap. Okay. Is it? It is running. Now in our local machine, not in local machine, in AWS machine, go to the AWS and just paste one command, Java space jar. So now we have to paste our jar file here. So just go here in local machine, double L, enter, which is our jar file, Spring Boot. Just copy, Control C. Okay. Copy this jar file and paste here. Right click. Okay. What happened? Okay. We just paste in Notepad first. Java space -jar. Paste your jar file here. Control V. Spring Boot project 00. I'll check Spring Boot project 002.jar. Okay. Just copy, Control C and paste it our AWS machine. So right click. What happened here? Jar. Okay, enter. Boom. So our project is up and running. Spring Boot is started. On which port? Port number 8091. Okay. So our target is achieved in this way. So this is very simple for uh, okay. We will check in Postman now. Just minimize it. Open Postman. Click on send. Okay, guys, our record is successfully paging. We page our all record here. So this is very simple process. Just follow the step which we have added step by step. Go to step by step and you will get the result. So thanks for watching.